Hello, how to report and sunog Facebook account easily, automatic disabled ha 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 ha. First search the account you want to report or sunog and click it just like this and you'll see here nage-english sunog so download link kang any VPN app tapos connect neo sa server tapos report neo na haha. Ayan gamit ko any VPN can do disabled fake accounts and RP accounts disclaimer use this at your own risk effective to sa mga fake accounts at impersonators, RP accounts hihi. Ayan report na natin isang kasi neo lenai click yung fake accounts and refresh neo lang ito para malaman mo kung nasunog na siya ha 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 ha. Huwag kayo mantrip ha masama yan. Ayan sang na siya ha 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 subscribe ka na for more Facebook tutorials. Ayan sunog na for today's video ha ha ha. Huwag kayo mantrip sa iba subscribe ka na to love you bye.